Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today I'll teach you how to put this cast on stitch. This is a very pretty stitch which we can use for flower patterns and for roses. This cast on stitch is very common in Brazilian embroidering. For this cast on stitch I am using 6 strands of thread. Put a knot at the end and insert through the fabric. And leaving 1 centimeter gap, insert the needle and take it back on the same stitch like this. Hold the needle with your left index and twist the thread with your right index and pass it through the needle. See here, twist the thread and pass through the needle. Twist the thread and pass through the needle again and again. Twist the thread, pass through the needle. Twist the thread, pass through the needle. 8 or 10 times you can pass the thread like this. Twist it and pass through the needle. Twist it and pass through the needle. Now we have finished the weaving. See how pretty it looks in a line like this. Now hold the thread with your left hand and carefully take the needle out and pull the thread without disturbing the woven thread. Pull the thread completely. See, now we have finished the cast on stitch, which is very common in Brazilian embroidering. How beautiful it looks. Now you can insert the needle back in the same point and put a knot at the back side. We can use this cast on stitch for roses and all flowers in your pattern, and this is the back view of the stitch. See, I have put a rose pattern with cast on stitch. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. I have posted more than 100 stitches. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.